In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab ACTIVE5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. First of all, you need to open Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. When you're ready, hold this gray line under your shortcuts and swipe a bit more. Now, with all of your shortcuts and labels of them visible, look for Auto Rotate one. If you don't have it, don't worry, I will get to it in a second. Find it and click on it. Auto rotation is now disabled, but as you can see, shortcut of auto rotation transformed into this one with a padlock called landscape. If your device is in vertical orientation, it will say portrait. That's why so many people can't find auto rotation. To enable it now, click on the shortcut with a padlock until it's white and says Auto Rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!